Okay, guys, look. I know I should not be recording this. My dog got stuck on side of the door trying to bark at somebody. Okay. Hold on, girl. Damn, I really don't even know what to do, to be honest. Hold on. No, she's stuck. Cleo, I gotta lift you. That's the only thing I can think of. It's okay. You're okay. So I'm gonna lift you up. It's probably gonna hurt, but I'm gonna lift you up and you have to go that way. Damn. Hold up. Can you go? Okay. Cleo. You gotta calm down. Princess. Shh. Okay. Hold on. I gotta... Park ranger for you a little bit. Hold on. Excuse me, is there any way I can ask you for your help?
Yeah, what's up?
My dog is stuck on the side of the seat. She was, she's not a friendly dog, so let me warn you there. She was trying to turn around and look out of the window and got stuck. And so I don't know.
She's stuck?
She's stuck.
Can I look?
Yes.
What's your name?
Cleo.
Cleo, hi, I hear you're not a friendly dog and it looks like you're worried. So, looks like if I move the seat forward, we can pick her back legs up. I would get inside the van with her.
Okay.
And I can pick her up from the back legs and push her your way. But we'll close the door so she doesn't jump out. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
All right.
Oliver, do not be here. Daddy,
He's a good girl. Cleo?
Yes.
Cleo's such a good girl. Here we go. Oh.
Come on.
Got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, I'm backing out. I hear you. I'm backing away.
You can't come. I know. You can't come. Thank you so much. Girl, that man gonna come and try to save your little baby, and then you gonna bark at him? Right, Cleo and I just pulled off side of the road to check out some stuff. Oh, I can't go that way, girl. So, even though we're not able to do things on the trails I go hiking, it's still really cool that we can go places that are off the trail because there's nobody else around. All of the trails have all of the people on them and they're jam-packed. Whereas out here, it's just us. And I get to let her off the leash and do what she wants to do. And today, it's not a hot day in Big Bend, thankfully. It's like 70 degrees right now. And the higher up we get in the mountains, it gets even cooler. So we're gonna try to make it to that rock back there. All right. Cleo, come on, princess, come on. It's really beautiful that Cleo likes to explore just as much as I do. Like, she is having the time of her life right now. She's chasing lizards and stuff. We made it to the rock. I go to the rock. Oh, Cleo, that's such a pretty picture. She moved as soon as I said that. Cleo and I made it to the rock. Or climbed the rock. There's no shade out here, so we won't be here long. It's hot. Well, it's not hot, but it ain't. It's not cold. You want to go up there? No, me neither. The long walk back. This is taking a lot of time. It feels like it's taking way more time to get back to the van than it did to walk away from the van. Met a man on the radio today. I must confess, I disagree with what he had to say. How could he not believe that God is real? I don't understand how he could feel that way when there's earth, air, water, and fire. So many different crystals and hills and volcanoes. That's how I know that God is real. All of this is not by chance. That's how I know that God is real. That's how I know that God is real.